Abby, gonna do a short little video working on the Hurst Competition Plus shifter. I don't know if you'd actually call this a rebuild or just a cleanup. Anyways, original Competition Plus for the 67 GTO. Took everything apart, cleaned it up, had to put bushings because they were sloppy. So we drilled these out. Just like everything else, I did the research. I ordered a pit pack 332 7302 for shifter bushings. These are the shifter bushings. So you drill them oversized to 1/2 inch and put the bushing in, and well, the bushings I got were only 212 thick. I just happen to have a drawer of old-time 4-speed stuff here with thicker bushings, and they were actually like 1/4 inch, 255. So that way it would actually go all the way through it, and then I actually had to grind it down a little bit flush. Then it'll get a washer on the back and then the clip. And when we put it all together, and that makes it perfect again, so there's no free play. So that's what we're after. We don't want a sloppy shifter. So this is a Muncie M20, a Hurst Competition original shifter. The aftermarkets have shifter stops, lever stops, where you can make it perfect. But the original one doesn't. So took it up. Here's a little spreader. So everything's clean, rebushed. This was missing the lower dust cover. Got one ordered. Got a new set of shims ordered in case that tightens it up a little bit. These are like stainless steel and they're in good. They look good, but I ordered new ones. This thing didn't have anything holding the shifter in, so they got 2 clips and 2 wedges. Got that ordered. So here's what we got ordered from a place called 4-Speed Conversions in Ohio. We got the white shifter knob, a clutch return spring, the shift lever lock, and the lower dust cover, and the correct nut for the back of here. There's a rectangle nut instead of just a, you can tell that had the wrong nut on it. So anyways, once I get it on this transmission, I'll get the shifter lined up, get everything perfect. This is just a bench transmission. This is actually the original numbers matching transmission, but it's got a bad 3rd gear synchronizer and it needs to be gone through. I had another one on the bench ready to go, so it's going in the GTO for now. It was rebuilt, ready to go. Anyways, then the shifter will go on the GTO. Got the left side exhaust to put on, and then we're ready to fire the motor, which I'll do a video about soon. So here's our Hurst Competition Plus project. Don't know if you call it a rebuild or a refresh. Probably a refresh. Just new bushings and shims and a couple missing parts. I didn't have to tear this apart. It's perfectly clean. It's the reverse spring part of it. Everything's working like it's supposed to. All right. It's a rainy day today. Push the charger back a little bit so I can work on an inside bench. Got to use the Bridgeport again to drill out all the shifter lever bushings. All right, that's it for now. Short little video. See ya.